Yellow is my favorite color. Lemon is one of my favorite flavors, so naturally I am in love with this bright yellow we're calling lemon sorbet. For this one, we're going to start with a light yellow base coat. So mix 5 drops of CrystaLac's Pigment number 3 yellow into about a teaspoon of universal white, and then apply it quickly using light pressure with a fluffy blush brush. Because yellow is such a light color, I went ahead and did 2 layers of my base coat before moving on to my actual recipe. Always make sure you allow 4 hours to dry in between your coats, but you can move it to a dry rack about 15 minutes after you apply it when you're just using universal white and pigments, or you can use the hang method for your base coats. For our lemon sorbet recipe, we're going to mix together a tablespoon each universal white and either Brite Tone or Extreme Protection, and 45 drops number 3 yellow. Mix it well for about a minute to make sure you get those colors totally blended together. Then add your paint over your base coat. As with all of these recipes, you want to add them to your cup while it spins, which will allow the clear coat to help level everything out really well. Spin for at least an hour and allow each coat to dry a total of 4 hours before moving on to your next layer. Fluffy blush brushes do work the best for your application, and speed is always your friend because it dries quickly, and overworking can cause brush strokes in the paint, which will give it an uneven surface. Again, because yellow is such a light color, it will take a few more layers than the other colors to get that super smooth candy-coated finish. I lightly sanded my cup after 2 layers just to smooth everything out a bit. I used 400 grit sandpaper and literally just moved the paper over the cup without applying any pressure because I don't want to sand off the paint, I just want to level out any high points. And then I added just 1 more layer to finish the cup. And here we are with 2 coats of Brite Tone over it, and look at that shine. When life gives you lemons, just make this incredible recipe because it's sure to brighten up anyone's day.